nice. Good.
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಫುಡಿಂಗ್
Always
ಇತ್ತು
a pleasure to be with
Oh,
Bangalore
okay.
trekkers. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
We've had a
ma'am.
lovely experience.
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ
We had a nice time. Thank you, Bangalore Truckers. Hey guys, thank you. Thank you for the lovely trek. He's enjoying though.
Thanks for coming. There's a water point.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How was the trekking, bro?
Super.
ನಿಂಗೆ
Super.
Thank you for the lovely trip. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Thank you. ಎರಡನೇ ಸತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಅದಿರಾ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಸಿಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು?
Yeah, very good. Actually, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Getting the kid, we thought it would be challenging, but it was easy with all of you and good food. So I advise everyone to give this a chance. Try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Very nice. Thank you both of you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹಾಂ ಬಾಯ್
Bye. Auto bro.